Hello my students, how are you? Group 3. Today we'll solve from Mu'asir book, model number 2. This questions from your book, students book, okay? First question, choose the correct answer from those given. The point 3 and 1 lies in the what? In the fourth or the first? It will be the first quadrant because the first quadrant has positive and positive. Like this, we have 4 parts here: first quadrant, second quadrant, third, fourth. The sign about first, we have positive and positive. So the point here lies in the first quadrant. Choose letter A about first question. Next question number 2. Space is one of measure of dispersion. We have mode and median, and mean we call letter A and B and D. They are the centered, the arithmetics about centered tendency, okay, centered tendency. But he asked about the measure of dispersion. We can use letter C, standard deviation or the range. So the answer here will be letter C. The standard deviation is one of the measure of dispersion, but median, arithmetic mean, and the mode we call it center of density. Then you must choose letter C about question number 2. Next question. The third proportional of two numbers 3 and 6 equal. We want to find the third proportional. We have 2 and 6. He won't find the third proportional between two numbers. Okay, I have 3 over 6. We have 3 over 6. We have first and middle and third. He won't find the third. Put here x referred to the third and repeating 6 here in the middle. So the value of x equals 6 by 6 divided by 3. 6 times 6 equals 36 divided by 3 equals 12. The answer here will be 12. It shows letter D. Next example down. Number 4, number of element of x equal 2 and number of Cartesian product y by x equals 6 and y2 equal. We can find the number of element of y by divided 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3 equals 2 times 3 equals 6. Then number of y2 equals 3 power 2 is 9. The answer here will be 9. Choose letter B. Next question down. Range of the set 7, 3, 6, 9, 5 is. The range equals the difference between maximum and minimum. The maximum here 9 and the minimum 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Next question. If x by y is 7, then the relation between y and what? We have x product by y equals 7, then x equals 7 over y. So we have the verse here inverse between x and y. Then y verse inverse with x. Then verse inverse with x, and the relation here directly with 1 over x. It shows letter A about last question. Okay. Next example. We have set of x and set of y. He won't find the number of elements or orders in Cartesian product between x and z. We can write the answer here by product the number of element in x. We have 2 elements in x, and z have 1 element, then 2 times 1 equal 2. The number of Cartesian product between x and z equal 2 element product by 1 equal 2. And number 2, y intersection with x, Cartesian product with z. Y and x, we have y and x, here y and x, and the intersection between them equal 2. Product by set of z is 3. The Cartesian product with order 2 and 3. Next example here. Letter B is the middle proportional between A and C. Prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Okay, we can prove this example by write B is the middle. He gives me the information, middle proportional between A and C. It's meaning what? A over B, such that and B equals Cm, because B is the middle proportional between A and C. Okay, then start here from left hand side The left hand side we have a minus b over a minus c. A was cm power 2 subtract by p equal cm, and a cm power 2 subtract by c. We can raise the head factor between two terms up, write cm power 2 divided cm equal m. cm divided itself, it will be 1, and down here we can write c head factor. The result will be m power 2 minus 1. We can simplest. The result will be m product by m minus 1 over m power 2 minus 1. We can factorize expressions, the difference between two squared. Square root of the first and square root of the second, right? Negative and positive, and then simplest. The result will be m over m plus 1. It's relation about number 1, left hand side, and then we can write right hand side b over b plus c. The value of b equals cm over b plus c. b here equals cm plus c. We can write the head factor down in the numerator, write c and c, m divided c equal m, and c divided by c equal 1. We can simplest, and the result will be m over m plus 1, equivalent relation number 1. Then left hand side equal right hand side equal m over plus over m over m plus 1. In relation about this example, left hand side equivalent to right hand side. Next question, we have relation between x and y plus b equals 7 for all x belonging to a belonging to x and b belonging to y. Okay, we can find the relation here. What is this relation? Right here are 1 plus 6 equals 7, and 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then we can draw a diagram about x and y. X like this, and y here like this. The element of x 1, 3, 4 and 5, and y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The image of 1 was 6. Or convert or draw the diagram. 1, 6, 3 with 4, and 4 with 3, and 5 with 2. Then choose that r is a function. Yes, r here is a function because every element of x has only one image in y. Right here, r is a function. Because every element of x has only one image in y. Next question. If 5a equal 3b, finds the value about this expression here. We have 5a is equal 3b. Then we have ratio between a and b. Okay, we can write a over b equal a here product by 5 and b product by 3. Then we have 3 over 5. Put the value here m and m not equal to 0. Then 7a plus 9b over 4a plus 2b 7 product by A equals 3m, 3 times 7 equal 21, and 9 times B equal 5m, 5 times 9 is 45. For A equals 3m, 3 times 4 equal 12, 2 times B equal 5m, 2 times 5 equal 10, and then you can write the head factor between numerator and numerator after addition. We have here 66m and down 22m. We can divide it because m not equal 0. 66 divided by 2 equal 22 equals 3. The value about this expression equal 3. Now we will complete next question. If f of x here equal 4x plus b, and f of 3 equal 15, find the value of u of b. Okay, first step, we have f of x such that f of x equal 4x plus b, and f of 3 was equal 15, with the value of x here equal 3. 3 times 4 equal 12, 12 plus b equal 15, then the value of b equal 15 minus 12 is 3. Okay, so direct question. Next question down. We have direct first between x and y. You want to find the relation first and then find y when x equal 5. Okay, first step, such that y is verse direct with x, then y equivalent to m product by x, and such that m is a constant not equal 0. Put y equals 6 when x was equal 3. The value of m here 6 divided by 3 equal 2. The relation y equal to product by x. It's number 1, relation between y and x. Number 2, finds the value of y when x equal 5. At x equal 5, and y equal to product by 5. 2 times 5 equal 10. The value of y here equal 10. Next question. Represent graphically the function f of x equal 4 subtract by x power 2. When x belonging to the interval from -3 to 3, you can use calculator to draw the function like this. Open, choose table number 7, and then write the function 4 subtract by x power 2. X here write alpha, this button, and then this button also here, alpha as brackets, and then power 2. Then write equal. He tell me start from what? Start from -3, right here in the interval, start from -3, equal, and then the end into 3, write 3 also, and then equal. Then equal also to give the table. He give me the table here was the solution. Okay, you can use calculator or your mind as you like, but calculator easy. In one step you can find the answer about this function. We have f of x equivalent to 4 subtract by x power 2. We can draw the table like this. We have x and f of x. Write first -3, and the image will be -5. Look at here the table, -3 to -5. -2, the image was 0. -1, the image was 3. Right, but then 0 was 4. 1, the image of 1 equals 3, and then the image of 2 is 0. The image of 3 is -5. Okay, and then you can draw the graphic of this function. Okay, Look at here about the steps. We draw here the table and then draw graphically. Draw x-axis and y-axis perpendicular like this. Start with me from -3. We have -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The intervals from -3 to 3. And the image maximum we have is 4 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the minimum down is -5. We have -1, -2, -1, -2, -3, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. The image -3 to 5, -5, okay, and -2 and 0, -1 and 3, 0 and 4. Then you can draw this curve on the left hand side, and then 0 and 4. Start here 1 with 3, 2 and 0, and 3 with -5. Okay, then we can find maximum. We have the vertex was 0 and 4 is the vertex, and the minimum or maximum value equal 4. It's the maximum value, and the axis of symmetry x equal 0. It's axis of symmetry. Okay, this line divided the curve into parts equivalent. Next question. The following frequency distribution you can complete this to find arithmetic mean. Okay, and standard deviation. Next model, answer the following. Complete the point. Find 3 lies in the first quadrant. Because the sign positive and positive. We called the Riemann function of third degree. The power here 3, it will be the third degree. Right here, third. The range, we can find the difference between maximum and the minimum. 34 minus 4, it will be 30. Range here 30. We have relation between y and x, it will be direct relation in y. Direct relation with x. Okay, direct relation with x. Next question. We have 3 elements in x. The number of x by x Cartesian product. The result will be 2. 3 power 2 is 9. The answer here it will be 9. A and 3 equals 6 and b. Then the value of a equals 6. And the value of b, it will be 3. So a plus b equals 3 plus 6 is 9. The value here will be 9. Choose the correct answer. We have here relation between x and y. Choose letter A. Direct between y and 1 over x. If we divide it by x, then x will be equal 7 over y. Y equals 7 over x. We have relation between y and x, inverse between y and x, and direct between 1 over x. Choose letter A. We have proportional. We can write 3 times 6, 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And x will be 9. We have here 2a equal 5b. A over b. A over b equal 5 over 2. 5 over 2. Choose letter D, because here is a ratio between a over b. Look at here. A was product by 2 and b product by 5. Then a over b equal 5 over 2. Next question is one of the measure of the distribution. We have here the range. The range. Choose letter B, one of the measure of distributions. Next question. Number of x equal 5 and number of x Cartesian product with y equal 10. Number of element in y equal 10 divided by 5 equal 2. Choose letter C. if x equal 1 and x Cartesian, it will be 1 Cartesian product set of 1 Cartesian product by set of 1 and 1. The order will be 1 and 1. Next question number 3, brought true or false. Okay, we have function here. He asked about the domain 1, 2 and 3. It's true. First question true, because the domain here is the first projection, so it will be true. First question true. Next question number 2, if y is direct verse with x and y equals 6 when x equals 3, then y equal 2 when x equal 4. You can write the relation between together. Y over x, y1 over x1, it will be equal y2 over x2. Then we can write when y equals 6, x was equal 3, and y2 2 when x equal 4. 2 over 4 not equivalent to 6 over 3, because 2 over 4 it will be half, and 6 divided by 3 equal 2, then we must write false here. Next question, summation x of x bar or bar 2 equals 36, set of values when the number, he gave me set of values whose number of values 9, and the sigma here, standard division, we must write square root of 36 over 9. The result will be square root of 4 equal 2. This answer here will be false, because he gave me the answer will be 4. Next question, intersection point with a straight line for x equal x plus 2 with x-axis equal. We asked about intersection the straight line at x-axis, but y equals 0, then x plus 2 equals 0, then the value of x is negative 2, then the point will be negative 2 and 0. Next question, we have relation between x and y. X is called here the domain of the function. True, right here true, because x is domain. Okay, the arrow diagram from x to y represent the function. Yes, true, because each element in x has only one array to y. You can complete this. We have here x equal, we have 1 and 4, then x will be 1, because x here lies in the first projection, then the value of x will be 1. Number 2, if the function f of x equal x minus 4 represented graphically by straight line passing through the point and 2, then equal, we can put the value here of x equal a and y equal 2. Okay, f of x, it meaning y will be equal to equal x minus 4, x equal a, put a minus 4, and the value of a here equals 6. A will be 6. Okay, it shows 6. Next question, half 3 over 6, 4 over 8, 8 over 16, because 8 or half of 16. F of x equal 5, then f of 5 plus f of negative 5 is constant, then 5 plus 5 equal 10, because we have constant functions in the image about first 5 and second 5, 5 plus 5 equal 10. Next question, middle proportional of two numbers 4 and 9 equal, write positive or negative square root of 4 times 9 is 36, it will be positive or negative 6. The opposite figure, the equation of x symmetry, x here equal to the line symmetry, it will be x equal to, right, 2 here. Okay, it's the last question. I would solve also questions inshallah about master book, governed rates examination. I start only solve questions or model number 1, 2, 3, and we'll complete in the future all models here. Okay.